Hello and welcome to Swahili Kingdom. So today we are going to learn about using these phrases instead of saying sorry in Swahili, or the additional phrases to use on top of the word sorry. So welcome. This video has it all when it comes to apologizing in Swahili, be it in a formal setting, informal, casual, or a respectful setting. They are all here. So don't rely on pole alone. That is not allowed. You should go through more phrases in this video with me and let us have fun. You need to be more sympathetic when you apologize so that someone can know you are truly sorry. How do you do that in Swahili? Well, use these phrases provided here in this video plus the addition of the word pole, or you can just omit the word pole and use the phrases given. Well, we all make mistakes, right? And we will need to apologize at one point or another, one occasion or another. So, tell me, will you use pole all the time? No, man. Use more phrases and tell others you are sincerely sorry. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates from this channel. Thank you. The first one, my apologies. Very formal. You can say in Swahili, pole zangu. An example, hujambo, natumai mzima. Natuma pole zangu kwa kutoshiriki mkutanoni. Hi, I hope you are well. I send my apologies for not participating in the meeting. Very formal. The second one, pole zangu na zikufikie, then in brackets, popote ulipo. And another thing, by the way, if you want to know how to form words with popote, kokote, lolote, yoyote, check the video suggested above. So, pole zangu na zikufikie in brackets, popote ulipo. May my apologies reach you in brackets, wherever you are. Popote ulipo, wherever you are. An example, hujambo bwana Juma. Sikuonyesha picha nzuri kwa hujambo bwana Juma. Sikuonyesha picha nzuri kwa kukukosea heshima mbele ya wageni. Pole zangu na zikufikie popote ulipo. Why I have put popote ulipo in brackets, it is because you can use it or you might not use it. So the translation is, hello Mr. Juma. I didn't show a nice image by disrespecting you in front of guests. May my apologies reach you wherever you are. This is formal again because you can't go and apologize in that way to a friend or your mother or someone like that. But you can use to learn Swahili. It is called Ling app. It has 60 plus languages you can learn inside there. It has 5 levels, which is beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and expert. And each level has 10 units and 4 subunits in each unit. Speaking test with a native recorded audio, and after that there is a test. It has a conversation between 2 people at the end of each unit. Vocabularies have pictures and are properly pronounced. It is very beginner friendly, and if you are learning Swahili, I will really recommend you to use this app because it gives you a ground when you are a beginner, where to start from and how to communicate with people, because all the basics are in here. As I have said, it has a lot of language options. It is not only about Swahili. The good thing is that it shows you which phrase comes first in a sentence, the sentence order, which is a very big problem. Check the link for downloading it in the description box below. Thank you so much. Number 3, I didn't mean to. Sikukusudia. Habari gani Halima? Naomba msamaha kwa jambo nililofanya. Sikukusudia. Hello Halima. I ask for forgiveness for what I did. I didn't mean to. This can be in any situation, but be very careful on how you present it yourself. Number 4, it is my fault or it is my mistake. Ni dosari or ni kosa langu. And dosari, by the way, dosari means defects. in Swahili, but you can use it as a mistake when you are apologizing. Example, ni kosa langu, naomba kusamehewa. It's my fault, I ask to be forgiven. You can use it at any situation. And please remember to watch the video until the end, because you have some great advanced vocabularies for you to learn at the end of this video. And subscribe if you have not yet, for you to get more creative videos from us. Number 5, I owe you an apology for. Unanidai msamaha kwa. Example, nafahamu kuwa kukukosea heshima si vizuri. Unanidai msamaha. And then the 6th one, it is used in the slang language. Someone might tell you, Iza bro, Iza sister, Iza Joe, or just Iza. Okay, it is very slangish. It is used in the slang language. Okay, don't use it just anywhere. Number 8, I take full responsibility for my actions. Nachukua jukumu lote kwa matendo yangu, or najitwika jukumu lote kwa matendo yangu. An example, shikamoo, naelewa kuwa nilifanya makosa. Nachukua jukumu lote kwa matendo yangu maovu. My respects, I understand that I did wrong. I take full responsibility for my evil actions. This can be used in a respectful situation or a formal situation. And if you don't know the Swahili greetings, how to greet people in Swahili, formal, informal, casual, respectful, and the slang, go check the video suggested on top there. It will tell you everything that you want. Number 9, it was wrong on my part. Nilikosea kwa upande wangu. Naelewa kuwa nilikosea kwa upande wangu. Naomba msamaha. I know that it was wrong on my part. I ask for forgiveness. Number 10, I am so very sorry. But when you use this one, make sure you are very apologetic and sincere. Use pole sana, pole sana. The next one, number 11, it was thoughtless or careless of me. Ulikuwa upumbavu or upuuzi wangu. Upumbavu is thoughtless. Careless is upuuzi. An example, nahisi kuwa ulikuwa upuuzi wangu kupendekeza wazo hilo. Pole zangu na zikufikie. I feel like it was careless of me to recommend that idea. May my apologies reach you. This is very formal. Maybe the idea that you recommended failed and you feel like you need to apologize. Please use this way. Number 12, I sincerely apologize for. Naomba msamaha wa dhati kwa. Naomba msamaha wa dhati kwa. Example, Bwana Zawadi, naomba msamaha wa dhati kwa kuchelewa kufika mkutanoni. The translations are there. Number 13, I hope you can forgive me. Natumai unaweza kunisamehe. An example, nilifanya kosa kubwa kwa kutokuamini. Natumai unaweza kunisamehe. I did a big mistake by not believing in you. I hope you can forgive me. This can be used in any situation. Number 14, I hope I can be forgiven. This now you are not being direct, but you are asking for forgiveness. I hope I can be forgiven. Natumai ninaweza kusamehewa. An example, naelewa nilikuwa na dosari. I told you dosari is defect, a defect, but it can be used in this language as a mistake. In this apologetic language. Naelewa nilikuwa na dosari. Natumai ninaweza kusamehewa. I understand I had a fault. I hope I can be forgiven. Formal or respective situation. Number 15. I shouldn't have. Sikufaa or sikupaswa. By the way, check the video suggested above and see how you should say should, shouldn't in Swahili. Number 16. Nimekosa vibaya sana or nimeharibu vibaya sana. This is a phrase that you use, then you add the word pole. So it means I really messed up or I messed up big time. Samahani kaka, nimekosa vibaya sana. I'm sorry bro, I messed up big time. This, use it in a casual language. Use it in the casual language. You can't tell, you should not go and tell someone this way and you think or you see you are respectful. Okay, use it in a casual way. Number 17, I was in the wrong. Nilikuwa kwa makosa. Naelewa nilikuwa kwa makosa. Samahani. I understand I was in the wrong. Sorry. Number 18, I really hope you can find it within you to forgive me. Very deep. Use this in a formal situation or any situation. You can use it in any situation. I really hope you can find it within you to forgive me. Natumai unaweza kupata nafasi rohoni unisamehe. An example. Habari mkuu. Kosa langu ni zito. Natumai unaweza kupata nafasi rohoni unisamehe. 19. It won't happen again. Sitarudia. Sitarudia means I won't repeat. But when you use it in this apologetic language, it can insinuate it won't happen again. An example. Nimekosa sana na nahisi sifai kuomba msamaha. Sitarudia. You can add sitarudia tena or just sitarudia. I have done so many mistakes and I feel like I don't deserve to ask you for forgiveness. It won't happen again. Number 20, I'm embarrassed or ashamed of what has happened. Naibika or ninaibu kwa kilichotokea. Naibika kwa kilichotokea. An example. Mzee Kombo. Use this one in a respectful situation. Mzee Kombo. Naibika kwa kilichotokea jana usiku. Nisamehe tafadhali. You did something wrong to an elder and you are to an elder person, someone who is older than you, and you want to ask for their forgiveness. Mr. Kombo, I feel ashamed of what happened yesterday night. Please forgive me. And there are the 4 vocabularies of this video. Make sure you write them down. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something that is going to help you in the future. In the future, while you continue learning Swahili, you will be, as you continue advancing in your Swahili, you will see this video as much more helpful, and it has helped you in your journey in learning Swahili. And please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. And until next time.